The story of Rakshabandhan is related to the Hindu epic Mahabharata. In Mahabharata, Lord Krishna once cut his fingers, which then started bleeding. Seeing this, Draupadi then tore a piece of cloth from her sari and tied it on his finger to stop the bleeding. The piece of cloth then became the sacred thread. Considering the cloth that she tied a sacred thread, Krishna promised her that he will protect her from all the evils throughout his life. When the Kauravas tried to disarm Draupadi after pulling her hair, dragging her on the court and manhandling her, Krishna salvages her dignity by providing immeasurable reels of cloth to keep her covered. The act of Draupadi tying the piece of cloth on Krishna's wounded finger is synonymous with Rakshabandhan, a girl tying Rakhi on her brother's wrist, and he in turn promising to protect her just as Krishna protected Draupadi. Basically, Rakhi is the bond shared between a brother and the sister, where the sister ties the Rakhi on brother's wrist in the belief to protect her brother, and in return, then the brother promises to save her from all the evils. As we all know that this year, we all are celebrating the 75 years of independence, making the festival more special. So, this Rakshabandhan, let's dedicate a Rakhi to the saviors of a nation. I wish you all a very happy Rakshabandhan. Jai Hind.